all. Each one of us enjoys living in a clean environment. We all have the ability to maintain cleanliness as it is not a tough task to do so. Cleanliness is a habitual process that we must do on a daily basis.
Since the last 2 years, we are going through a world pandemic. Hence, the topic of cleanliness and hygiene is important to be discussed about. Today, I, Ojasvi,
And I, Rishika Vasesh,
are presenting our exhibit on the topic kitchen enzyme under the sub-theme S2.
Now, what are enzymes? Enzymes are proteins which catalyze the biological reaction. It speeds up the process of chemical reaction without being destroyed itself. How do we make these enzymes? We take 1 part of jaggery, 3 parts of kitchen waste, and 10 parts of water. After 3 months of fermentation, we observe some worms in the enzyme. These worms add extra proteins. This is the end result of the fermentation. We can filter the enzyme and remove the residue. The enzyme ready to be used can be used as a fertilizer as well as other household products. Now, why do we use these enzymes? Because enzyme has antibacterial and antiviral effects. It can also remove chemical pollutants easily, and it can also act as a household cleanser. Now, Ojasvi will tell you about the several ways in which kitchen enzymes can be used.
Now, I will tell you how enzymes can be used for various purposes. Enzymes can be used in agriculture, it can also be used in environmental purposes, and also for the personal hygiene. Now, we are talking about the different ways in which enzymes are used in agriculture. We can spray these enzymes wherever it is necessary. The benefits of spraying the enzymes in agriculture are: it keeps insects away, reduces chances of infections, and it also reduces any kind of foul odor. Enzymes also help in the progress in plantation. With enzymes, the vegetables grow faster and can be put into market earlier. With these enzymes, trees grow well and fast. Now, Rishika will explain you further.
Now, what's more about these enzymes? We can be using it during the pandemic COVID-19. It can be used for household purposes, to wash the fruits and vegetables, can be used as a hand wash as well as to clean the environment. Here are some students of our school cleaning the pond. Now, how do we use this enzyme for sanitary purposes? This can be prepared by the following given steps. Take 1 part of soap, 1 part of enzyme, 8 parts for cleaning anything from wounds to bathroom and kitchen. These are the hands of a student after his wounds have been healed by the sanitizer. Now let's talk about some of the advantages of enzyme. It causes no damage to human health. It releases ozone during the process of making. It can be prepared by anyone, and it is easy to use, environment friendly, as well as does not cause any damage to animals. Now, Ojasvi will talk about some of our objectives.
Our objectives. We want these enzymes to be available in all the stores so that most of the people can take a benefit from it. We also want farmers to use these enzymes so that they can get better crops at a cheaper rate. We also want these enzymes to be available to poor households so that they can also use these enzymes to maintain a sanitation and live a better life. We also encourage people to go and make up their own enzymes so that they can save money as well as the environment. Now, Rishika will explain you further.
Now, this is our school team with the enzyme samples. everyone stays healthy, safe, and washes their hands frequently with our hand sanitizer.
Thank you to the honorable judges. Have a wonderful day ahead.